Today we're diving into Moneydance, a personal finance software that claims to help you manage your money more effectively. But does it really deliver on that promise, or are there hidden pitfalls we should be wary of? Let's find out. Moneydance positions itself as a comprehensive personal finance tool, offering features like account management, budgeting, and investment tracking all in one place. You can link your bank accounts, categorize transactions, and even set up recurring payments. The user interface feels a bit dated, but it's functional, allowing users to easily navigate through their financial data. One standout feature is the ability to generate detailed reports, which can be really useful for understanding your spending habits. However, I found the initial setup somewhat tedious, especially if you have multiple accounts to link. It's also worth noting that while Moneydance supports various currencies, it lacks some integration options with newer fintech apps that many users might prefer. Overall, Moneydance seems best suited for individuals who appreciate a traditional approach to finance management, but for those who thrive on a more modern, streamlined experience, it might feel a bit lacking. When it comes to strengths, Moneydance offers a robust set of features for budgeting and expense tracking, plus the ability to generate insightful reports. It's great for users who want a detailed view of their finances without needing to connect to every possible service. On the flip side, some users might find the user interface a bit clunky and outdated. Additionally, the lack of mobile app functionality can be a deal breaker for anyone looking to manage their finances on the go. Pricing-wise, it's a one-time payment, which is a plus, but without a subscription model, you might miss out on future updates. In summary, Moneydance could work well for those who prefer a comprehensive desktop solution. But if you're after something more intuitive and mobile friendly, you might want to explore other options. So, who should consider Moneydance? If you're someone who values detailed financial insights and doesn't mind a less modern interface, it could be worth a try. However, if you need a more seamless mobile experience, there are definitely alternatives out there that might suit you better. Overall, weigh your options carefully before committing.